So hello guys, welcome to a new video of the channel. Today I am going to tell you about the structure mapping in SMC. That is basically the break of structure, change of character, the inducements which all you should know while trading, because the structure mapping is the important thing. Now let's come on the screen directly to know, and I will not make this video so long. Let's see. Okay, so let me tell you about the structure. So first structure I am telling you of bullish, you can do it of bearish of yourself. Now like this. So first I am going to tell you about the structure. First, the part you can see over here, this part is the consolidation part in which market is just time passing. When you can see that the price starts over here, this was the high, and when you will confirm this, at first you should need a healthy pullback over here, at least the 50%, almost the 50% of this at least should be covered. You can see that this is the 50% line and this is covered, then it can be considered as the healthy pullback. And after that, when the first low is gonna sweep over here, this sweep is known as the inducement. That is known as inducement, IDM basically. Okay, let me write on it, IDM. This is IDM. This is IDM. Okay, and now then when this low's liquidity is taken and it formed a new low, and then structure again go and break this high, then this can be confirmed as a new high. Okay, this high is a new high. Now this high can be considered as the new confirmed high. Then again the same scenario repeats over here. It may be a easy video for you. Again the scenario happens what, again the consolidation, the inducement, and then the new form, which is the break of structure. This zone is the break of structure, this is the break of structure. Okay, this is the break of structure. And now again the same thing happens. Now you can see over here that when this was the last confirmed low, because this low was fully taken, and this is the confirmed low. This is the confirmed low. Okay, here what will be the confirmed low? This is the confirmed low, this is the confirmed low, and here this is the confirmed low. So you have got to know about when to confirm high and when to confirm the low. Now what I am going to tell you is, first, that is the first I have told you about the break of structure. Now I am going to tell you about a change of character. Okay, so here when you see, let me take a trend line. Yeah, you can see that after this high, when you get a confirm low at this is a confirm low, this is a confirm low, and this is a confirm high. When you get after a break of structure, when you can see over here that the price came and break the confirm low, the last confirm low, then this zone can be considered as, this happens and this is considered as the break of structure over here. Okay, the break of structure. Here how you can trade is, first, if you got a break of structure over here, just wait for an FVG to form. Here you can use the first FVG setup, which I have already told on you on a YouTube video of FVG. Now what I am going to say you about is, I am going to draw how you guys can, this is looking like a 1 minute chart. Okay, how you can note this 1 minute chart and confirm this on a large time frame. Let's suppose the 15 minute is a large time frame of 1 minute. Okay, so first taken that first this candle should be a bullish candle. I am telling you only the bull one, because you should do the bear one of your own. This is a bullish candle, this is another bullish candle, and you can see over a candle over here, another candle which swept this candle's low's liquidity. Okay, this candle low's liquidity sweep. Suppose this candle is like this candle is like this, and then it has broken, then the next candle broken this high, eventually this high, this high. Suppose it's the 15-minute structure, how it will look like. Okay, the 15-minute structure is like this. Yeah, now let me take this to here. take this to here. This is a small, okay, this can be a small. Now I'm going to tell you all the structures, okay. First let me do it a bit side. Yeah, first this is the 1 minute part, this part is the 1 minute part. This looks like a 1 minute chart, and on 15 minute on 1 hour, or you can see over here that this was the first candle, which is this swing, this and this swing, okay. This two swing, these two candles are this swing, this swing, this full swing, right? First a rapid go up, then a healthy pullback, then again the continuation, okay. And you can see over here that this inducement, okay, suppose this is the 50% of this swing pullback of this swing. Suppose this is the 50%. Yeah, you can see that the pullback is almost crossed the 50%. You should remember this, the pullback is healthy when it is covered the 50% of the swing. Now so over the swing 50% is covered. Now what we have seen that this last candle's liquidity, the last candle's low is swept. That is basically this low is swept, this low is swept. Then you can suppose that the the inducement happened. This was the inducement which happened, this is the liquidity inducement, and then again the trend continuation started, and then again the trend continuation started. Now when it is look like this, this is now become a break of structure. So in break of structure, what you will see that this is the break of structure. Now when you can identify that this can be a change of character, you have got a new high over here. This was the confirmed low. I guess make this candle wick a bit small. Yeah, make this a confirmed low, okay. When this become the confirmed low, the confirmed low is this part, this was the break of structure part, and this is the confirm low part. When you can see that again a candle will come here and will broke this confirm low, this confirm low, then you can consider this as a pull change in character, okay. That is a CHoCH. So here how you guys can trade. While it happened in a 15-minute time frame, you guys simply go to 1 minute or 5 minute, wait for a single FBG to form or a overlapping FBG, which I'm not gonna tell you again because I have already told that on another video which is separate on YouTube. Go on the channel and check it out. When you can see that, wait a second, let me do it in a frame which will look nice. When you can see that what I am telling you here, it is the break of structure, that is the break of structure, this was the break of structure, this line is the liquidity inducement line, this line as this low was broken, this is the liquidity inducement line, IDM, this is the inducement line, and this what happened is that the low was broken, then it is considered as the CHoCH, CHoCH, change in character, okay. CHoCH, change in character. This was the very basic structure mapping which I am told you that, because many, if I want to describe this a bit, you can follow our live streams, that will help you a lot, because this is, I am just made a small video, the videos become quite small because I just tell you the basic information about it. If I got some subscriber or anything, I am going to give away a 5k account, which I have already told. After 300 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway of $5,000 funded account, and that's it. I guess what we have to tell is that's it. And if you want to get our trades, just follow live streams and join the Telegram. That's it. I think I have told almost the full basic of the structure mapping. What is equal, what is the low, what is the confirm low, what is confirm high, what is break of structure, what is CHoCH, what is IDM, inducement. I will make a separate video, another inducement. This was the very basic part, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hope you liked the video.